What's up guys, it's your girl Rochelle. In this video I am gonna tell you all about next month's specials. Super excited to share with you next month's specials. But if it's your first time with me, my name is Rochelle and I'm with 31 Gifts. If you love totes, if you love bags, if you love freebies, if you just love to be informed of what's going on everything 31, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit me a like, hit me a comment, and let's just get to this video. So next month is a big one. You can get a purse for 50% off, but don't let me tell you about it. Watch this.
Your consultant today to get half off your favorite purse style. That's half off any handbag when you spend $35 US or $40 Canadian. Including our new Studio 31 collection, which lets you create your perfect custom bag. You're the designer. Just choose your body shape and color. Zip on a flap and add a crossbody or shoulder strap. You can even personalize it for a look that's uniquely you. Or choose from our other gorgeous purse styles, including the new Retro Metro Hobo Crossbody, our popular Midway Hobo, and the Little Dreamer in new diamond straw for spring. Only in March, and only from 31 Gifts.
If that's not enough, if you host a party next month, this is what you can get. Check this out.
Awarded when you host a 31 party in March. From the airport to the office, and pool time to party time, you'll be ready to roll this spring with one of our best-selling roller styles. Choose from our popular Away We Go roller, perfect for teachers, travelers, and anyone on the go. Or our rolling cooler with leaf-lock thermal lining to easily transport heavy ice, drinks, and more. Each comes in your choice of 2 prints at a savings of 75%. Just $45 US or $56 Canadian when you host a $600 plus party this month. As always, personalization is free on Hostess Specials. The rewards don't end there. From quality time with the girls to a customized shopping experience with one of our amazing consultants, there's nothing like a 31 party. Host a party face-to-face or online. It's up to you. No matter how you party, you'll have the opportunity to get fashionable, functional products for free or half price, or one of our exclusive styles just for hostesses. The bigger the party, the more rewards you could earn. Ready to be rewarded? Contact a consultant to start planning.
Isn't that so exciting? Oh, if you want more than one bag, next month, March, is your month to do that. Now, we still have a few more days for this February special and for that dollar challenge that a couple of my girls have already accepted. So I will lift those links up above and send you more videos. So till next time, bye.